poster I presented in an abstract form of the IDH inhibitor AG120 was a subset of that AG120 IDH inhibitor population. When what we were doing is we were looking at the very first 78 patients that were treated in the dose escalation. And in that cohort, we saw an overall response rate of 38% with a CR rate of 18%. And that's in a relapsed refractory AML population. It was a heavily pretreated population. Over a quarter of them had had a prior stem cell transplant, median number of 2 cycles. And so we saw people deriving benefit, over a year on study that they would not have otherwise, and people are still ongoing. So that's been really gratifying to take care of a lot of these patients who were referred to me with really no standard or good options available, and to see them really benefit from a daily pill. So, and then what we presented in particular was data for the first time showing that the IDH mutation is lost with time in a subset of patients. So the actual variant allelic frequency, when you do next generation sequencing, you lose the actual mutant IDH mutation, and that seems to correlate with response. And so that's been, that was new, because up until now, the mechanism of action of IDH was thought to be differentiating. So you're giving an IDH inhibitor, and it's allowing the blast to mature and differentiate into their normal white cell counterparts, so the neutrophils. And so it wasn't clear initially whether you would lose the IDH mutation or whether it would still be present, but just in the more mature cells. And so that was a new, novel, exciting finding.